Hi everyone, welcome to Fluent with Nicole. Today's topic is centered on the Lunar New Year. As usual, I'll start by reading a short journal, and then we will go over 10 key vocabulary words together. Let's begin. 農曆新年就快到啦，要準備嘅嘢有好多。我同屋企人一齊大掃除，我趁呢個機會整理咗衣櫃，將舊衫捐去婦女庇護所。過年前仲要辦年貨，年貨包括團圓飯嘅食材，我哋都要貼揮春，咁樣屋企先有過年嘅氣氛，同埋我哋要去銀行換新嘅鈔票。雖然好忙，但係我依然好期待農曆新年嘅來臨，因為我想收好多利是。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 準備、大掃除、整理、捐、年貨、食材、揮春、鈔票、期待、利是。Now let's go through the keywords from the journal. First, 準備。準備 It means to prepare. 過年前要準備好多嘢。There are many things to prepare before the Lunar New Year. Next, 大掃除。大掃除 This is the word for spring cleaning. 我同屋企人一齊大掃除。I do spring cleaning together with my family. After that, 整理。整理 which means to tidy up. 我整理咗衣櫃。I tidy up my closet. Let's continue with 捐。捐 It means to donate. 我將舊衫捐去婦女庇護所。I donated my old clothes to a women's shelter. Let's look at 年貨。年貨 This word means Lunar New Year supplies. 我同屋企人一齊出去辦年貨。I go out with my family to buy Lunar New Year supplies. Then we have 食材。食材 This is the term for ingredients. 年貨包括團圓飯嘅食材。Lunar New Year supplies include ingredients for the reunion dinner. Moving on, 揮春。揮春 This refers to Lunar New Year banners. 揮春令屋企有過年嘅氣氛。Lunar New Year banners make the house feel festive. Up next, 鈔票。鈔票 This is the word for banknotes. 我要去銀行換新嘅鈔票。I need to go to the bank to exchange new banknotes. Next vocab is 期待。期待 It means to look forward to. 我好期待農曆新年嘅來臨。I'm really looking forward to the Lunar New Year. Finally, 利是。利是 which means red envelope. 我想收好多利是。I want to receive lots of red envelopes. Let's quickly review the keywords we covered today. Please repeat after me. 準備 to prepare. 大掃除 spring cleaning. 整理 to tidy up. 捐 to donate. 年貨 Lunar New Year supplies. 食材 ingredients. 揮春 Lunar New Year banners. 鈔票 banknotes. 期待 to look forward to. 利是 red envelope. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick listening quiz. The questions are based on the journal and the answers are the keywords we just learned. First question. 過年前要做好多咩? Before the Lunar New Year, what is there a lot to do? The answer is 準備 to prepare. Second question. 我同屋企人一齊做咗咩? What did I do together with my family? The answer is 大掃除 spring cleaning. Third question. 我將衣櫃點 What do I do with my closet? The answer is 整理 to tidy up. Moving on. 我將舊衫點 What did I do to my old clothes? The answer is 捐 to donate. Next question. 過年前我哋要辦咩 What do we need to buy before Lunar New Year? The answer is 年貨 Lunar New Year supplies. Let's try this one. 年貨包括咩 What do the Lunar New Year supplies include? The answer is 食材 ingredients. Up next. 我哋喺屋企貼咩先有過年嘅氣氛 What do we put up at home to make it feel festive? The answer is 揮春 Lunar New Year banners. Moving on. 我要去銀行換新嘅咩 What do I need to exchange for new ones at the bank? The answer is 鈔票 banknotes. Next question. 我對農曆新年有咩感受 How do I feel about the Lunar New Year? The answer is 期待 to look forward to. Final question. 我希望收到好多咩 What do I hope to receive a lot of? The answer is 利是 red envelope. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!